Alright, let's pick Exfil zone. Sure, I've done this before, but that's what the updates look like. Standing up, fucker. It's my hands. Confirm. What eye? This is my right eye? Or my right eye. Perfect. Okay. Ooh, snap turn. Nope. Nope. Smooth. Boop. Okay, cool. No, give me the magazine. Give me the magazine. Empty? I'm not mad, I'm disappointed. I don't have a fucking holster. You stay. Definitely looks like it's controversial, but this is thing. Is this the fucking full auto? Yeah, it is. Does whatever a spider can. I'm pretty fucking solid here. No. Let's see this. Full. Full. Alright, ready to go. That didn't lock. Are you empty? What? Fuck. Doesn't look like a bitch. Way back with her. Shit. Ow! These? I'm assuming I would. Like a Mambo style. Empty. Yep. There's a tough sight to aim down. Back forward down. Would you stop fucking bleeding? Oh, I need to... What the fuck? Are you fucking empty? No, that's gonna be good. Right. Where's your chamber of the next one? That flashlight isn't fucking away. Oh, that's silly. It's shotgun. You're not a shotgun. Dumb. Never mind. I'm gonna go die in this. Okay, there. Go die in this corner. Hang on, I'm gonna stop recording.